So, okay, this is the next one. It's asking about what is the electronic configuration of an atom X. So, they given information about X2 plus has an electron as the PR, PR, as we know that PR is 36 and the RR is 18. So, we just calculated, then we found that X is 38, then R must be plus 20 if we want the result is 38. So that's why I answered the B one. So that's it. So this question is asking about which molecule has an equal number of bonding electron and also lone pair electron. So the answer is B, Y, P, because carbon has a electron valency of 4 and oxygen has an electron valency of 6. So there is will be 4 bonding between them because we have a 2 oxygen, and then there is a 2 pairs also of the lone pair one. Oxygen will be has a 2 lone pair for each of them. So it will be 4 lone pair for both of them. So that's why the answer is B. As we know that is carbon 6, which is a simple.
We continue to the next question. This next question is about the question is asking about the standard enthalpy change of combustion of the ethylene. So in this question, they give us enthalpy carbon enthalpy change of carbon is minus plus 394, and for hydrogen is 286. And then we calculate the enthalpy change of formation of ethane to be 140. It's mean like we have a lot of information right here. So we will make the reaction first. So 2 carbon plus 3 hydrogen is equal to ethane. So we input the information and we got the answer is B. So that's it.
Okay, guys, so we continue to the next question. Is question 18. So as we see that they give us information about carbon monoxide and methanol, then we need to find the evaporation for carbon monoxide and methanol. They give us information about carbon oxygen. Carbon monoxide is to minus 283, and the others one they have an information. So this is we just make a rail, then we can find that the answer is minus 130 minus zero point 0.9, because we just input the number into the equation, then we can find the enthalpy reaction. And forget to make it B plus B minus.
So we continue to the next question. There's a question about asking about enthalpy change of combustion carbon. So, and this question they give us an information for the enthalpy change of ethane and hydrogen. As we know, the ethane is a carbon. It has a 2 carbon and a 6 of hydrogen. So for this question, we will times the hydrogen be times 3 because we have a 6 hydrogen, but why we times it with 3 because we already have a combustion of hydrogens. Then the next one, blank, the blank number one is for carbon. We will divide it answering with of by divided by 2 because why? Because we need 2 carbon for combustion for enthalpy reaction of ethane. So I got the answer is of minus 430. Annyeonghaseyo guys, so we continue for the next question. So the next question is asking about the enthalpy change of formation of methanol. As we know that formation of ethanol, this one is ethanol. So what we should do first, we should like, uh, we make it be times two. Why we times it with two? Why? Why should times two, Alma? Why? Nande, Alma? Because right here we need two of water, so we should time it. So it will be same, and we can tuck tuck like that. Then the next one, oh, we just calculate it. Calculate it with this, guys. Okay. So this and this, because they in the same kubu, same magnet, same source, same thing. There will be plus. So between this and this, so this is plus absolutely no, and this also between this. This is absolutely no because there is we should time it with two. Then the penentuan, this one. No. Okay. So we will minus it. We will divide it. We will dis- decrease it with this one. Why, Amma? Why we should decrease with this? Because this is the reaction and this is the formation. I mean, like this is the product, right? This is the product that we want. So, wait, because I doesn't move in my hand. So, after we calculated, this is times, this is plus, and this is minus. So the answer is this one. Whitney. Thing. Okay, bye bye. This is the next question. They're asking about the enthalpy change for their solution. They give us information about glucose and ethanol enthalpy change of combustion. So we just minus it because, yeah, like this. Reactant minus product. Then we got this 84. Okay.
안녕하세요, guys. This is how I answer the question 32. So the first one, I'm looking for the pH for of each of them. I'm using the way that I can find the molarity of the heart of them. Then I input them in the formula of pH. Then I found it. So the answer is a B. Okay, guys, this is the way how I can find the answer is C. So as we can see, the first graph is showing the starting from the, and I think the pH one. It's mean that it has a strong, really strong acid, and it's ends up right there. The one that is 14 have a pH of 14. It's been that it's strong best. How can we produce strong gas if we have strong gas? We should have it with a with a weak gas. Why not with strong gas? Because if we put a strong gas with a strong gas, it will produce water. So the answer is C. Guys, so this is how I answer this question. So this question is asking about which one is a correct statement. So I have hydrogen sulfate is act as best. Wow, well, so with that one because they acceptor of electrons, so admit is best. Okay, that's how I answer it. Okay, you guys. So this is the paper two question, and the answer the questioning about the electronic configuration, and just we just using the simple way like usually, then we got this one. Yeah, just like that. Okay, guys, this is the next one. The next question is asking about the relative atomic mass of iridium. So in this question, we just do the calculate like usually R equals to um mass times abundance, then divided by a percentage. But notice that in the table there is iridium also, not just iridium, but there is also the information of rhodium. I mean, so be more detail about how to answer this. Okay, like things. And then also this is the about sketch of the energy orbit in the orbit. So with the transition point number and besides so the graphic will be like circle and just a circle, right? Because it goes it ends like one S two, then two S two, so the two S two is S, so it's just okay, guys. So this is the next question. That is the number of pairs of electron in the third subcell in the 3D subcell in the I'm sorry, I picked it wrong. So the answer is one. How we got this? I got it from the the name and the electron configuration. Just like that.